So, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Clear? Hmm. Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Okay. So, I'm Chaitanya. I'm studying at KGSC TY MEC. Okay. I'm the vice captain for Team Onyx India, which is a mega projects team at your college, at our college. So, what I'll be teaching you is engineering drawing. Okay. So it is an important topic which many first years take it lightly or they don't understand it, right? So first of all, let's see. So say you learn engineering drawing. So as I go through it, I look at everything to see, being a mechanical engineer. It is important to look through everything with a practical aspect. So for engineering drawing, what you could learn is something like this. You see this, right? This is a plane which we built, a prototype for a competition by Team Onyx India. This is what my team built. So this is some of what which you could learn by doing through engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is all fun and enjoyment if you do it clearly and easily, methodically, basically. So uh, I'll try to keep it and develop an interest among yourself by showing some of the projects which I do. So let's start with the first modules. Let's start with what modules we have in engineering drawing. Okay, so as we know, the syllabus is this course will generally specify on KJSC ka syllabus in the 2 months, coming 2 months, we'll complete that. Okay, so the first topic here is projection. Everybody sees my pointer, or wait, yeah. So now, so the first topic here module is projection of points and lines. So this is what is the basis of the entire other four topics. Okay, you get this right, you can solve a projection of solids. You can solve section and development of solids. This topic is what is important at the most. Okay, orthograph. So wait a minute. You cover this, you cover this and this. Orthographic and isometric are two different modules. Okay, so like they are grouped separately. Module 1, you cover module 1, you can get module 4 and 5 easily. You cover 2, you can get and 3, they are together. Okay, right. So what I want is we'll start with module 1 today. uh, Before that, let's say mm, how many of you here are from MEC department? Please tell me that if you can. Otherwise, then no. So what I wanted MEC was ki engineering drawing. If you aren't from MEC, it won't be as a integral part of your course over the 4 years. So it is a quite bit off way for you to learn. Like, why would I learn this? Why would anybody do this? But it so we need to clear this up. Okay, first sem, if you take this subject very lightly, like अगर तुम लोग इसको बोलोगे कि हाँ drawing ही तो है, what would it happen? I would do it entirely. तो it ain't happening. तुम लोग फंसोगे गंदा वाला. Because this is a subject which is need to go methodically, stepwise. वो करो, तुम लोग आराम से पास हो जाओगे. You need to get the steps right, whatever happens. Okay, so for that we are here to help. My experience with the subject was ki many of my batch students, we had a 2 unit test and one end sem. So many of my batch students were like कि हाँ भाई देखते हैं, एक subject है, first unit test happened, nobody got good marks because it was a total bouncer. New subject, new software to use, AutoCAD. You know, so for this subject, you need to know AutoCAD, which is a software, a 2D modeling software in which you can draw sketches and etc. So nobody knew how to use AutoCAD efficiently. So everybody flunked for the first unit test. So that was a big disappointment for us. But later on, as we got accustomed to it, we needed some time. You need practice, constant practice to get accustomed to AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start with the module 1. So module 1 consists of projection of points, lines, and planes. Okay, so now first of all, have any of you got any books like NH Dubey or something like that? Because I don't know, but if for problem solving, it might be important. I'll give you sufficient problem here only, but if you want extra, I recommend NH Dubey. It is well and enough. So for now, let's say you guys know about the 2D coordinate system. Okay, I don't want this to be a sort of uh, blah 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 me going on lecture. Please interact with me. I get too awkward very quickly. So please say yes or no, at least that. Do you guys know the quadrant system? First quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth.
Yes.
Okay. So now here
Yes,
on,
yes.
okay, nice. Here only we are going to expand it to a 3D model. Okay, we expand it to a Z axis, right? This axis. You see my cursor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what you call the front plane. The y-axis, which was deemed first, what you saw here in the 2D view, is now deemed as the front plane. Okay, this the blue plane which you see here is that is the front plane. Okay, and the yellowish one is the horizontal plane. Okay, vertical plane and horizontal plane. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so this the line which intersects it, the origin which was supposed to be the origin is now the XY line. Okay, now so what happens is this becomes the first quadrant, this the second, third, and the fourth. Now suppose if I say there is a point which is above the HP, that is the horizontal plane. I'll be referring to HP as the horizontal plane and vertical plane as VP. Okay, so if I say a point is above the HP, that is above this plane. You see my cursor, right? Above this plane. Yeah. So what it determines is कि मेरा point इधर first या second quadrant में lie कर रहा है. So wait, I would give you a brief. So this is what the quadrant plane was like. You see it? This was the 2D view, correct? You all see it, right? Hello? दिख रहा है ना भाई?
हाँ दिख रहा.
हाँ. So this was the 2D view. I extruded it. And this is what we got as the 3D view and the 4 quadrants. So the first quadrant is here, the second some behind it, third below, and fourth here. Okay. So and this happens to be the vertical plane, and this the horizontal plane. Correct? Got it, everyone? What was the vertical, the horizontal, and the 4 quadrants?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now the questions starts with you for a first point. So let's say you see here, what if a point is above and in front of the above the HP and in front of the VP? So let's go here. Above the HP. What is above the HP? This is the HP, this and this. Okay, let me color it red as well. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, done. So this is the HP, the horizontal plane, correct? So it lies above it. So it will lie in first or the second quadrant, not the other two, correct? And next what it says is it lies in front of the VP, in front of the VP. So ये तो eliminate हो गया because it is behind the VP. Get this right कि ये मेरा view है first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. समझ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ.
तो मेरा एक पॉइंट इधर है, समझ कुछ भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, इफ इट इज हियर तो इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वीपी एंड अबव द एचपी, करेक्ट? नाउ सिमिलरली व्हाट इफ इट इज बिहाइंड the VP and above the HP, so then it will lie on the third quadrant, correct?
That is not the second quadrant.
This is the second quadrant, right? This is the first, this is the second. You get what? I'll color it differently if it's confusing you. The red and the blue one is the first quadrant, and the red and yellow and the gray one is the second quadrant. Got it?
Yes.
डाउट था क्या कुछ कि just confusing?
No, no, it's
Hello?
clear.
Okay, cool enough. Yeah. So above first quadrant, second quadrant. Now what if it lies in the third quadrant? So if third quadrant में lie कर रहा है, so they say it is below the HP. This is the HP and behind the VP, right? Tell me what will it be if it is in the fourth quadrant? Anyone?
Below HP and in front of VP.
Yeah, absolutely correct. So there we have it. We have sorted out the quadrants, but now there arises a case like what will it be if it lies on the HP? ये axis है, plane है. This is the plane HP, right? These two consist of the HP. What if it lies on the HP? So it will lie either here or here. It won't be in any of the quadrants exactly, but it will lie here or here. Now on HP and in front of VP. So it will lie in this plane. Now, if you imagine this plane isn't limited to this system only, right? This isn't just a representation. It might extend overall infinitely.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can you repeat it once again? I'm not getting it.
What didn't you get? Let's see. क्या नहीं समझा? Let's go about that. You got the quadrants. What are the quadrants? You remember this, right? The four
Yeah.
quadrants for X.
Yeah.
If this was the Y-axis, this is the X-axis. We extruded it simply. We pulled it. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
We got the four quadrants in 3 dimension now.
Yeah.
Okay. So this happens to be the first quadrant, this the second, this the third, and this is the fourth. Right?
Yeah.
So now this plane which was formed by extruding the y-axis is called as the vertical plane. Vertical. It is vertical, hence vertical plane.
Yeah.
And the plane which is formed by extruding the horizontal axis, that is x-axis, is called as the horizontal plane. This
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
This entire red and yellow thing. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we go through if we have a point. Let's say we have a point or a figure which is above the HP, that is the horizontal plane,
Okay.
and in front of the VP. So which quadrant will it lie? Tell me.
First.
Yeah, correct. अगर कोई होगा figure which is below the HP and in front of the VP, तो कौन से में लाया होगा?
Below HP and in front
And
of
in front of the VP.
fourth.
Correct. Absolutely. Get it. Right?
Yeah.
So you understood the point? Yeah. Now there is a case where it will lie on the HP or on the VP. These are planes, so the point can lie on them. What is a point? A point is a vector. A point determines the position of an object, not the magnitude. So it can happen कि मेरा point lies on this plane or in this plane. So what should I do कि अभी भाई इधर plane है तो where would it be, the first or the second quadrant? मतलब it is in front of the VP and on HP. So where it is it on the first or the fourth quadrant? So it isn't on any of them. It lies on the HP and it is what is important. So अगर HP पे lie कर रहा है, let's say it lies on the HP. Okay, we'll get that later. Let's go further now. So HP पे lie कर रहा है, you get that कि the point can lie on HP or on VP, right? Correct? It can also lie on the origin, that is the XY line, the intersection of the two planes, the FV and the top view and the horizontal. Okay, so now there was another notion, that is the FV. What is the FV? So in here, if you view an object from the front, right? So this is let's say I have an object here. This is an object, correct? Let me just, okay. This is the object, what I have, a cylinder, right? So if I view it from the front, that is parallel to the vertical plane, right? You are the observer. You're looking at this from the front plane, parallel to the front plane. The projection of what you get this is called as the front view, correct? Get my point? कि नहीं?
Yes.
सबको समझा ना? एक ही ऐसा है.
हाँ हाँ समझा.
हाँ.
Yes.
And what I view from the top is called as the top view, TV. I see a rectangle here. What I view from the top is called the top view. So front view and top view. Clear है?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on then. Okay. So next, let's try some locating some point. Okay. Okay. My bad. Okay. So one point is point A, which lies on the HP and 42 mm behind the VP. Random value. Just tell me where it will lie. First quadrant, third quadrant, or both quadrant, whatever. On HP and 42 mm behind the VP. Guess anyone. Guess it out.
Second quadrant.
Behind the VP, second quadrant पे तो होगा ही. On HP लिखा है, so it will be on HP. So it might be on second, it might be on third. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. It will lie on the plane, so it isn't exactly in any of the quadrants, but it can, you can deem it as in the third quadrant or the second quadrant, as the plane is part of a quadrant. Right? Everybody get it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So next one, 28 mm below HP and on VP. Anyone? Let's do it quickly. Chalo.
Third or fourth.
Third or fourth. Below HP.
Third and fourth.
Correct. Absolutely. Next one. On HP, 35 mm in front of VP. Where?
First.
Or fourth.
Correct. Absolutely. Quick. Read it out. Point D किधर होगा? Now tell me. This is very specific. Below H. एक ही quadrant आएगा. 8 mm below HP.
Fourth.
Correct. Absolutely. Next. E. Anyone? Hello. Point E.
First.
Correct. Above and in front. So first. Next is below and behind. So किधर आएगा?
Third.
Correct. Above and on VP. So
First or second.
First or second.
correct. And अभी बचा क्या? कौन सा quadrant? Guess it out. Last
Second.
point. Yeah. So
Second.
a simple trick to remember this is, if तुम लोग को पता है, you know, if I say above or behind, you can guess from the analogy here that above and below are the above and below lies मतलब positive and negatives. हाँ, तो मतलब opposites of each other, right? So you can deem above as the positive for the y-axis. मतलब let's say एक second ना, I'll go here. Now if this is my plane, correct? This is the heart. So horizontal plane के ऊपर, above. So I can deem this as positive and this as negative. Simple way of reminding if you don't understand what this was. If समझा है तो ignore this. Okay? Anyone है, कोई है जिसको समझा नहीं अभी इसके पहले जो सिखाया? ट्रिक है उसके लिए. This is how I remember it. मैं रिमाइंड किया उसको वैसे कि positive. This is the above wala thing, positive. So above and in front is both positive. So first quadrant. Above and behind is plus and then minus. So second quadrant, correct? Similarly, so that is just an analogy. You can refer to it or you can't. So what the analogy was, mm, let it be, chuck it. Never mind. Let's go further. Now, what is the major parts is the projection of points, of how these points are to be projected. Now, of course, you can't, engineering drawing is how about you do it on a paper. So, of course, you can't go doing about this thing of a quadrant in 3D space on the paper. So you move it to a 2D planes. Okay, so this vertical plane and horizontal plane are converted to a 2D plane, where this is what you see is the XY line. Okay, so this is transmitted here. This is the XY line here. You view it in the front view. So what happens is if we consider the first quadrant, let's say either first quadrant hai, get it? Ignore the other things. Okay, so you make it vertical. However you need to see it, you make it vertical exactly. So I would need to make this HP नीचे. समझ रहा है? ये HP I would need to rotate it by 90, so it is vertical. This plane would be the 2D representation. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, सबको समझा ना? Sort of. This might be a bit confusing, but take it easily. कि मेरे को vertical करना है उसको. Whatever it is, if I make it vertical, it is sorted out. HP को rotate. Now, if I go into the third quadrant, I already have a vertical plane. I need to make this vertical, so I move it ऐसा. This will come here. Sort. Similarly, for the second, I'll move this plane down, and for the fourth, I'll move this one up. So you get what is called as the 2D representation. Uh, okay, I'll show you what it was. So let's say, okay, wait a minute. This is what it would look like, sort of. Ignore the lines, please. This is the XY. Let's draw it again. The XY line, right? Above this is what is known as the vertical plane, and below this is what we call as the horizontal plane. Let me trim it out. Okay, so this is the XY line. Above it is the vertical plane, below it is the horizontal plane. Now, let's say I have a point in the space which lies on the HP. So, if it lies on the HP, my front view, which is this view, you get it? What will I see? Where it will be? Where will the line point be? Can anyone guess? मतलब मेरे को किधर दिखेगा? This is the front view that you see.
Anywhere on that blue thin line.
हाँ, so that blue thin line which you see in the front view, the plane. This is a plane, right? It has no thickness, right? So it will be coinciding with this XY line, whatever. So 2D representation में if तेरा XY पे या HP पे या VP पे lie कर रहा है point, so it will lie on the this here, its projection. Okay, so what I meant was कि if in the front view, okay, you get this thing, right? Wait a minute, give me a minute. Okay, sorry about that. So in the front view, uh, if you see this, right, if a point lies on the HP in the front view, what you would see the point on the XY axis. XY line. So that is its projection on the vertical plane. Vertical plane पे projection माने तो front view. Similarly, if it lies on the vertical plane, the top view would be it's on the XY line. Get my point?
Yes.
नहीं है तो नहीं बोलो, cause no doubt अपन काफी आराम से जा सकते हैं. So now let's say there will be two projection. A projection of the point that there will be two projections on the XY plane and the
Chaitanya,
हाँ बोल
can you explain that when you converted from 3D to 2D,
हाँ
you moved HP 90 degree by 90 degree, right?
yeah
Then how did you locate means?
हाँ तो I'll get to it now. So listen, अभी now let's say a point lies somewhere. एक second, I'll make a plane. Okay, sketch. Imagine this is a point. Okay, this is a very small point. Okay, so now top view में मैं देख रहा है. This is somewhere here above the XY axis. You see it, right? It all doesn't lie on any of the planes. It is actually above in the first quadrant. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I view it from the top view, I see it as somewhere at some distance from the XY line. Correct. I need to know what
Yes.
distance it is. I'll just measure it in here. It is somewhat 44. Okay. So this is its view from the top view. Correct. Top view. So what I'll do from the XY line, correct, 44 mm. बराबर
Huh.
So from the XY line, I'll make 44 mm. But अभी क्या है? It is in front ना? हेलो
Yes.
हाँ, तो it is in the front. तो HP में मैं उसको 44 कर दूंगा. Correct? So this is its projection on the HP. If it will be like this here, correct? Sort of exact. Let's say it will lie on here like this. Its projection is this is its projection, right? And this is the distance. The point is its projection on the horizontal plane, and this is the distance, right? Get my point? Hello?
Yes, got it.
हाँ. So if I rotate this will go down like along with this. नीचे जाएगा ये.
हाँ.
समझ रहा है? ये line, then this line would somewhat look like this. इधर आएगा. ऐसे ये line इधर आएगा. Somewhat. समझ रहा है?
हाँ.
So, oops. I selected the wrong plane. It will be somewhat like this, 44 mm from the XY, correct? बस तू उसको rotate किया, you are viewing it in 2D, इसको नीचे लेके गया, तो ये भी line उसके साथ जाएगा, the projection will be moved along with it, correct? The point which was here now is here, just तू उसको 2D में denote किया. अभी this was about the top view. Now if I take the front view, I look it as here. It shows me some point, some distance from the XY line, correct? 40. So it is above the XY by 40, correct? So I'll simply draw it above the XY by 40. And that's it. मेरा एक point का projections हो गया, correct? This is 40. This is somewhat 44 point. The projection here is in this point, correct? The end tips that you see, that is the projection of the point. These are the length determining it, correct? Get my point? Understood everybody?
Yes.
कुछ भी doubt होगा तो पूछो. Simple, because if this is clear, your entire next first module, fourth module, fifth module is going to be pretty simple. तुम लोग को सिर्फ ये करना है. नाउ ट्रिक इज, अभी लेट्स से तुम लोग का एक पॉइंट था which was that let's say it is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of the HVP, correct? Everybody get that? Above HP and in front of the VP. So for above HP, you consider above. So just remember the words above. Above माने तो plus, गया ऊपर, बस simple. And type in whatever you want. Like क्या था? What was the value? 10 mm above HP. So it goes 10 mm above HP. Simple as that. 10 mm. This is what it will be. इसका vertical projection. Front view. 20 mm in front of the VP. Front बोला नीचे खींचो. Simple. 20. Front बोला नीचे खींचो. That's it. Top above बोला ऊपर जाओ. Front बोला नीचे आओ. Get my point? Hello?
Yes.
Now what happens if it says कि behind, चलो both case behind वाला किधर गया? Below and behind. Now if I say it below, it goes opposite. अभी जो भी मेरा this वाला था वो front view जो भी है वो उल्टा जाएगा. Behind बोला तो I'll pull it down. What was the value? Below 14 mm below HP. So 14 mm below HP and 22 above, right? So it will go 22 above. Now I'll denote this so you can get a rough idea.
Behind अगर बोला तो भी above लेना है.
एक second, I'll denote this so you can get a rough idea how you want it. Let's say A. This is A. This point. This is A dash. Okay. B. B dash. So you see, whenever you are representing, na, here, इधर देखो. Now, if you are observing the front view, FV, vertical plane को parallel, okay, projection on the vertical plane, you always put a dash here, A dash, dash. Front view देख रहे हो तभी you always put a dash. This was the front view, correct? Here, front view, ये था, बराबर?
Yes.
Correct? हाँ, तो you always put a dash to denote by that. Front view के लिए there is a dash, top view के लिए no dash. Get there? Easy enough? नहीं.
फ्रंट व्यू तो नीचे था ना, तो वो ए डैश नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए.
नहीं, that was the top view. You get my point, right? Top में देख रहा था मैं उसको top से.
अच्छा, ओके ओके.
So it was a top view. Front view is when I view it from the front. तू observer इधर है somewhere. So you view it from the front. If you view it from the front, this is your front view. ऊपर से देख रहा है तो top view. As it says, okay, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So always when representing the front view, you put a dash to the, let's say point A है तेरा, तू उसको डाल रहा है, so you'll put a small a and उसके आगे dash for a front view. For a top view, you'll just put A, simple A. So if तेरा अभी अपना कौन सा point था, ये ना, in front and above, okay, E. So what was it? इधर आएगा E dash and this will be E. Let's dimension, give it dimensions so it is clear for you. एक सेकेंड. कीज को क्या हो गया? Okay, so this is 10, right? 9.6. No, 9. 20 and this is 10, but I don't know why it is showing 9.6. Okay, yeah, 10, correct. I was choosing a point which was with the annotation wala. So 10 and 20, what you see here was 10 above the HP, correct. तो उसको मैं above the HP डाला and E dash दिया front view, and 20 above the VP in front of the VP, my bad. So in front of the VP and E दिया उसको नाम. Now similarly here in this case what it was, uh, area 14 mm in above below HP, 14 mm below HP. So मैं उसको below HP लिया. This was above, now उसको मैं below लिया and उसको B dash डाला because it was the front view. Similarly now उसको if it what was it, 22 mm behind VP, so behind को मैं पीक उल्टा किया उसका. Remember this just, तेरा अगर if whatever you do front बोला है तो it is above E dash के लिए. Get it? You अगर clear नहीं हो रहा है किसी को, let's say, so how will you make an simple way to remember it? If किसी को clear नहीं हो रहा है तो बोलो जरा. Let's make a simple way if तुम लोग को नहीं हो रहा है. Sort of hacks करते हैं वैसा कुछ. तो हेलो, या किसी को नहीं समझ रहा है क्या?
First, can you just say about front view or the top view? मतलब you can only do one at a time.
Yeah, but देखना ऐसा होता है रे कि a projection if you do it, okay, हाँ cool है ना, चल let's do it. So this is the front view, whatever. This is the front view of point E. Point E का front view is 20 mm in front of the VP, above the HP. So this is its front view, correct? ये मैं सामने से देख रहा है. It is 10 mm above the HP. So just imagine, okay, what would the plane, horizontal plane, look like if I view it in the front view, correct? तो ये मेरा HP हो गया, correct? This is HP. It is coinciding with the XY line. Get my point?
Yes.
हाँ, तो उसके ऊपर होगा मेरा, बराबर, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन डेटा. उसके ऊपर है मेरा पॉइंट 10 mm above the HP. So in short, it is 10 mm above the XY line. तो
And
मेरा
20 mm in front of VP will come down, right?
हाँ,
In
exactly.
AutoCAD. Yeah.
हाँ, बस वो मेरा सामने है, मैं उसको ऊपर से देखेगा अभी. If I look at ignore this now, अगर ये तेरा जो नीचे वाला HY plane HP है, whatever, okay, this is ऊपर, what you will be looking at like this, ऐसे देख रहा है तू, more like ऐसे, understand? This is the XY line, correct? अभी उसको बोला है front है 20 mm, so 20 mm in front of the XY line, 20 mm front में खींचा, डन. देखो तेरा दोनों प्रोजेक्शंस मिल गया. गेट इट? हेलो,
Yes.
others, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So projection of points clear है तो only we can move forward. What will everybody has AutoCAD? If have you downloaded AutoCAD? कॉलेज में चालू हुआ है क्या कुछ lectures? I don't know.
Yes.
कितना हुआ है? If I may ask, कौन पढ़ा रहा है?
Sheba ma'am.
Okay, no idea who that is. Sorry, I don't know. Cool. So let's.
So in the front view, they will not have any point on the third or fourth quadrant.
थर्ड और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट का इधर सवाल ही नहीं आता ना. मतलब तू क्वाड्रेंट सिस्टम इधर तू स्टिल समझा है क्या? थोड़ा देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. What if my point lies here on the I'll make another plane here. Okay. Excellent. This is my point, okay? It is somewhat here above the HP and in front of the VP, correct? You see it? Hello?
Yes.
Above the HP and behind the VP. Okay? So ये तेरा quadrant कौन सा हो गया?
Second.
Right? So what I get is कि this exactly. So अभी मेरा front view है which will be this will be my front view, but मेरे को object पीछे दिख रहा है, समझ रहा है?
हाँ.
So it will still be above, उसका front view will still be above XY, correct?
Yes.
ये above the XY दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ. But if I view its top view जो था which was once इधर ऐसा front में था, now it has gone behind the XY line, समझ रहा है?
Right.
Clear understanding आ रहा है? Okay. So how will I project this? कि let's say it is 10 mm in front above the HP, correct? What it is? It was how 10 mm above the HP, 20 चल above the HP था, तो मैं उसको above the HP plot करूँगा 20. Got that point? Okay, somewhere here, right? अभी it was behind the VP. This was the VP vertical plane, उसके पीछे था. So ये XY लाइन हो गया तेरा 2D व्यू में, बराबर? उसके पीछे था, तो अभी देखो ऊपर दिख रहा है, समझ रहा है ना? ये ऊपर जा रहा है. दिस इज अबव द XY. सो आई इधर भी सिमिलरली मैं प्लॉट करूंगा. आई प्लॉट इट, लेट्स से इट वाज 15 mm, 15. I'll plot it like this. So it will be somewhere here. Make it thick enough. Wait. Okay. So ये तेरा इधर आएगा, तेरा एक पॉइंट भी है. प्लीज जरा अपना जरा बात करते तभी कर. आवाज स्टैटिक काफी है. Thanks, man. So this is where you got the what do you say? The front view was 20 mm above the XY. So this was the front view, the thinner line. तेरा point इधर आया 20 mm, and the top view is 15 mm. So this is what you got. Okay, everybody got the point? Clear है क्या?
Yes. Got it.
Actually, I have downloaded AutoCAD, but I don't know how to use it.
हाँ, AutoCAD कुछ नहीं. अब we need to learn that only. Mastery of this subject is mastery of AutoCAD. Know AutoCAD, how to use its features. You know, half the exam is clear there. But we'll do that for next time. अभी थोड़ा theory करते हैं पहले.
Yes, yeah.
Surely getting AutoCAD is pretty cool. मतलब easy and enough. You can solve any sum within 15 minutes on AutoCAD. बाहर टाइम लगता है न्यूमेरिकल पे करने. Get this point clear? Everybody clear with this? Still नहीं है तो I'll still explain again. Another example. Point H करते हैं क्या?
Point D करता है ना?
Okay, चलो. D तो below HP, correct? Okay. SolidWorks से बनाओ क्या पहले? So let me introduce. This is a software called SolidWorks. It is used for 3D modeling. Whatever we do, it is here. मतलब जो भी parts वगैरह हम लोग बनाते हैं manufacturing के लिए, in the team, it is done here. So that's another issue. बोलो कौन सा point था? D ना? Below HP and 15 mm in front of the VP. Quadrant कौन सा आ रहा है? Fourth, correct? So where we go is here, fourth quadrant. X. I'll just make a reference plane. Give me a minute. Okay. So this is where तेरा एक सेकंड. This is where तेरा point है. This isn't a circle. उसका center है वो point है तेरा, समझ ले. I can't draw a point in SolidWorks, but I can surely show you a point here. ये तेरा point है. It lies in the fourth quadrant. Somewhere dimensions I haven't taken exactly, but कितना है? 8 mm below HP. So what you see is 8 mm below HP. This was the HP, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ, 8 mm उसके नीचे. So I'll do 8 mm उसके नीचे. So AutoCAD में I'll do 8 mm नीचे. Get it? So what will this be? The front view. So how will I denote it? Anybody? Point D है. Denote कैसे होगा ये? Dash की नहीं dash. With dash की no dash.
With dash.
With
Front
dash.
view है ना?
Correctly. Front view with dash. Correct. Absolutely. Next was क्या? 15 mm in front of the VP. Front of the VP बोले तो third. So I'll view this from the top view. XY line, correct? Front है, उससे आगे है. ऐसे देखेंगे. XY line उसके आगे है. But अभी उसके नीचे जाएगा वो. Correct?
Yes.
Right.
Clearing up your imagination. Right?
Yeah.
What was that? What was the length? 15 mm. Right? So I will go 15 mm. Let's make this thick first, because नहीं तो दिखेगा नहीं. Okay, that's right. Better. 15. Right? And this will be denoted by D dash or D.
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 You get a front view which is 8 mm, and you get a top view which is 15 mm. Now the distances matter. The front view and the top view actually is just the point. You get that, right? सबको समझा ना? It's just the point which we are projecting, not the lines actually, right? The lines are to determine the distance. You can't show a point in here, but you can show a line, hence it is depicted as that.
Can you clear the denotions once again?
Yeah, sure. So horizontal plane, vertical plane, top view. Okay, let's do it here only. This is the horizontal plane, correct? The vertical plane. I'll hide these all sketches. So
I just want that A dash and A part.
so if you view it from the front, कैसे भी हो, ऊपर या नीचे किधर भी हो, front view से देख रहे हो, you denote that A dash. You need a dash there after the. And if ऊपर से देख रहे हो, top view से, तो you get a A. किधर भी होगा. XY line ऊपर नीचे A, or simply what the letter is. Correct?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so after this, shall we do? Okay, we have done this an example. We already done it, but this is what I was going to tell you all. Okay. So this was the point A. If you get it, this is the point A, right? It is 67.62 in front of the VP. So 67.62 in front of the XY line, correct? And 65.37, just a random number. So I took it 47 here, my mistake, but it is above, correct? Cleared up ना this? ये सबसे clear है ना कि still थोड़ा confusion है. Hello?
Clear.
Yeah. Yeah, almost halfway there to the first thing. Let this be. We can skip this because I guess we have done enough about this. Do we need to draw the projections of these all points? Can we do this, or is it okay if we skip it? Your choice. Everybody. let's do it as an exercise. Take it on a book and draw it out if you can, if you want to, or take a screenshot, draw it out, and just keep it for a reference or send it to me for checking, whatever is sufficient with you.
Can you share your WhatsApp number, please, so that we can share to you
Yeah,
so you can check it?
Okay, yeah. Thanks, Amish. So after points, what naturally comes is the projection of lines. You give it a magnitude. 2 point.
हेलो
हाँ बोल.
एक्चुअली अभी तो ये एकदम ही क्लियर है बट एवरी टाइम वी कांट ऐसा अज्यूम सॉलिड वर्क्स राइट
हाँ, so
तो
that's what I
इज
said.
देयर एनी ट्रिक
That was what I told you. कि अगर above बोलेगा, if they say above, you just take it above, right? Above HP, तो वही distance above the HP plot करेगा. Clear?
हाँ मतलब तूने बोला अगर अबाव बोला तो हमें ऊपर लेना है फ्रंट बोला तो हमें नीचे लेना है बट दिस इज फॉर फ्रंट व्यू राइट
तो above and below is for front view. Simple. तो
हाँ
फ्रंट व्यू तेरा above and below आएगा. इन फ्रंट वगैरह तेरा फ्रंट व्यू में आएगा ही नहीं.
हाँ
Get?
वो टॉप व्यू में आएगा
हाँ, तो सिंपल इनफ. अबव बोला तो ऊपर खींचेगा एक्स वाई के, बिलो बोला तो नीचे खींचेगा. दैट इज सिंपल इनफ, अंडरस्टैंडेबल. तो यू कैन विजुअलाइज इट. अबव, बिलो. हेलो.
ओके या गॉट इट
नाउ इफ दे से इन फ्रंट पीछे खींचेगा. इन फ्रंट बिहाइंड बोला है तो पीछे. राइट इट डाउन इफ यू वांट. इट इज काफी ओके इफ यू वांट. समझ रहा है क्या सबको? सॉलिड
हाँ
वर्क्स
हाँ
दिस इज व्हाट इट शुड बी. इन फ्रंट बोला है तो नीचे खींचो, बिहाइंड बोला है तो पीछे खींचो. ऊपर, आई मीन, सॉरी, बिहाइंड पीछे. अबव बोला है तो अबव, बिलो तो बिलो. अबव एंड बिलो इज प्रीटी इजी, वो समझता है. आई गेट इट, राइट. इन फ्रंट में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है, बट remember that it is easy to understand, right? Shall we move on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So next comes the topic of projection of lines. Two endpoints form a line. Okay. So now let's what are the types here? First line, it is parallel to the HP and perpendicular to the VP. Okay. So what is that? This is the line that you see parallel to the HP, correct? Is parallel. Let's see it in this is parallel to the HP, right?
Yeah.
And perpendicular to the VP.
Yeah.
So what will its projections be? Let's see iska projections kya hoga. If I view it in the top view, I see a line, correct?
Yeah.
Some distance from the vertical plane, that is the XY line or the vertical plane, correct? कोई थोड़ा डिस्टेंस है, उधर से एक लाइन मिल रहा है, करेक्ट. बट इफ आई व्यू इट इन द फ्रंट व्यू, दोनों कोइंसाइड हो रहा है, दोनों पॉइंट्स, करेक्ट. तो आई गेट अ पॉइंट हियर, क्लियरली अ पॉइंट, ओनली अ पॉइंट. एक पॉइंट मिल रहा है. तो दैट इज उसका ये क्लियर.
फ्रंट व्यू में कोइंसाइड हो रहा है ना?
हाँ, तो फ्रंट व्यू में कोइंसाइड हुआ. दिस वाज द लाइन ए बी. ये ए बी दिख रहा है, ये ए बी दिख रहा है
Yeah.
तुमको? हाँ, तो दिस वाज द टॉप व्यू. ए बी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड फॉर टॉप व्यू, ए डैश बी डैश फॉर फ्रंट व्यू. गेट इट?
Yeah.
हाँ. सो इफ दिस इज द लाइन ए बी, ये लाइन ए है, ये बी है, तो दिस इज व्हाट वी गॉट ऑन द टॉप व्यू, करेक्ट? सिमिलर.
Yeah.
Huh? So this is the AB, and front view में I got it at some height from the VP, HP. Sorry. Okay. So this is what I got. This point here. तेरा line is going into the plane perpendicular. समझ रहा है सबको?
हाँ.
Understanding easy enough? Okay, so next is the perpendicular to the HP and parallel to the VP. Next case, perpendicular HP, and parallel to the VP. So what it will be here is, take a second, let me zoom out, perpendicular to the VP, HP, my bad, and parallel. So if you see it, it is parallel to the VP, parallel है, इसको hide कर देते हैं, ये क्यों hide हो गया, parallel to the VP, correct, दिख रहा है parallel,
Yes.
and if HP को देखेंगे तो it is perpendicular. So what was the earlier case, उसका उल्टा हुआ है, reverse case, get it? So all I see is a line in the view and a point in the top view. समझ रहा है?
Yeah.
Now the next case, if you imagine, it is a line parallel to both. Front view को भी parallel है, top view को भी parallel है. समझ रहे हो? So what will its projections be? Let's see about that. If I view it in the front, एक sec, my bad. Front view में देख रहा हूँ, क्या दिख रहा है? क्या दिख रहा है?
Horizontal line.
Correct, line दिख रहा है. So what I see is a line, and if I see it from the top view, what I see, line.
Yeah.
If this is point A, this is point B. मैं ये point A का projections पहले ले सकता हूँ, correct?
Yeah.
Point B का projection similarly ले सकता हूँ, and I can plot it. So मैंने क्या किया, A का projections लिया, B का projections लिया, and I joined the line. So मेरे को उसका front view मिला, top view मिला.
Okay.
अब first ही कर रहा हूँ, but all this is possible in any quadrant, correct?
Yeah.
यही लाइन मेरा इधर हो गया, तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में लेट्स से, तो विल हैपन इज ये और ये एक्सचेंज हो जाएगा, करेक्ट ना? ए डैश बी डैश इधर आ जाएगा समवेयर लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग, और ए एंड बी ऊपर जाएगा, बिकॉज बिहाइंड बोला है, बिहाइंड एंड बिलो. दिस इज करंटली अबव एंड इन फ्रंट, बराबर?
Yes.
राइट, फाइन. तो दैट वाज पैरेलल टू बोथ. बाकी लोग कुछ भी डाउट है क्या, नहीं समझ रहा है तो लेट्स गो विद अनदर ये मेथड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. इफ नहीं समझ रहा है, टेल मी. समझा? हेलो?
हाँ हाँ समझा, क्लियर है.
हाँ, easy enough, yeah. So now next comes a case which is important, parallel to HP and inclined to the VP. What I mean is this line, it is parallel to the HP. If you view it in the side view, HP को parallel है, correct, बराबर, and VP को it is not perpendicular but it is inclined. If you see this, I'll sketch it out. If this is the VP, correct, it is inclined to the VP. ये I do a line parallel to the VP, वो inclined है, समझ रहा है? That is some angle to the VP.
Parallel to HP नहीं समझा.
ये दिख रहा है ना, it is parallel to HP clearly. फर्स्ट केस जैसा.
Actually visualization नहीं हो रहा है उसका.
एक सेकंड, ये था ना parallel to HP वाला line, whatever it was.
Yeah.
पैरेलल का मतलब क्या है, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होगा, तो इट वोंट इंटरसेक्ट विद HP. ये तेरा फर्स्ट लाइन था, तो वो कभी HP को मिलेगा नहीं, समझ रहा है? दिस इज HP, इट वोंट meet HP ever if you extend it in this direction.
Yeah.
But abhi now this is the line parallel to HP and perpendicular to the VP.
Yeah.
If I get the line which was parallel to HP and inclined to the VP, which is this line, this, not this. This is a reference line which I drew to show you the angle. Let's delete that first. So parallel to the VP, here you can see it is aligning with this line which was parallel to VP originally, HP, correct?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got it.
थोड़ा confusion है, I admit, but you can get it if you visualize enough and try it. थोड़ा समझ शांति से लो. We have got all the time in the world if you want, but let's make it clear enough. Now, if it would have been perpendicular to the VP, which was this case, what you saw was a point, correct? As both the ends were together, coincident, collinear, let's say. But here you don't see a point, you see a line. Why is that? Because एंगल पे है. सिंपल इनफ. ये इधर है, ये इधर है. दोनों कोइंसाइड तो होगा ही नहीं फ्रंट व्यू में, करेक्ट? तो अभी इसका प्रोजेक्शंस हाउ विल यू ड्रॉ? एनी आइडिया? हेलो, हेलो.
व्यू में ऊपर जाएगा ना?
ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है बराबर.
या
फ्रंट व्यू में तेरा दोनों पॉइंट्स किधर लाए होगा? मतलब लेट्स से फ्रंट व्यू, हाँ, दो एंड तू दोनों पॉइंट्स लोकेट कर सकते हैं,
या
करेक्ट?
या
तो located both the ऊपर, correct? It's in this line, yeah. Now the
Yeah.
second one.
ए डैश बी डैश है ना वो लाइन?
हाँ, तो a dash b dash आएगा इधर,
या
समझ रहा है?
या
Parallel to the HP, and next is inclined to the. तो अगर incline देखेंगे, तो it will be somewhat like this. एक second ना, I just exit it. This is the XY, correct? And it is inclined to it. मैं इधर से, if I sketch it out, I can find this length, I can find this length. If they have given me that, I can find these both lengths and then join this to get the top view, correct?
या ओके.
So मैं ये लेंथ ढूंढा, a dash a मिला, ये लेंथ ढूंढा, b मिला, joined it to get the top view, correct?
या
Similarly, there is a line which is inclined to, which is parallel to the VP and inclined to the HP. Get it? Visualize हो रहा है थोड़ा कि नहीं? Should I show it? ये देखो, this is the line which we want parallel to the VP and inclined to the HP. VP को parallel है, you can view it in the side view, parallel, दोनों intersect नहीं होगा angle, and it is inclined to the HP. HP को inclined है, you see this, right?
यस.
There is some angle between. If I draw a horizontal here, it's at an angle, correct? 40 degrees. तो वो तेरा inclined second case हुआ. इधर भी I can similarly find the plots A, point B, front view है. तो what will these points be called? This and this front view है. Take a guess.
ए डैश बी डैश?
Correct, absolutely correct. A dash B dash, I'll plot them here. A dash B dash, join them. Similarly, I'll find A and B for top view से. Okay? Everybody clear with that?
यस.
Yes.
So sometimes तुम लोग को ऐसा भी रहता है, अभी डाउट आएगा कि ये सब केसेस हुआ. Is there any other case कि लाइन अपना inclined to both रहेगा क्या? Okay, so that is a case जिधर तुम लोग को you need to sort out what you have learned first to learn about that. Inclined to both के लिए तुम लोग को थोड़ा दिमाग चलाना पड़ता है. I know tricks for that also, but you need to think थोड़ा inclined के लिए. Now comes a concept of true length and true inclination. Anyone bored yet? हो तो बोलो भाई, कुछ नहीं है, होते हैं, सिर्फ सीखना है. बोर्ड हो गए होंगे तो we'll take it next time. no doubt about that. But if bored, then please tell me, because waste नहीं करना है जो भी सीखना है. Okay. So now comes the angle, true inclination का and true length का point. Okay. Uh, okay. So should I? Yeah, I'll.
Vignesh, actually the remedial lecture is cancelled, I suppose. Yeah, I got a message.
So you want? Do you guys want me to continue or के रुकूं मैं?
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. So there you go. Yeah. So let's say we have a line which is parallel to HP and angle to VP. Correct? This is the line. This was the line. Now, इसका length है 50 mm, as you know, true length, which is जो उसका 3D में length समझ रहा है मेरे को. Correct? I can measure it as 50 mm. Okay, not by this. This is 50 mm. It shows you the length 50 mm. But abhi, if I view it in the front view, is it still 50 mm? Do you think what I'm viewing is 50 mm?
No.
Let's find. So what I view here is actually 25. Why is that?
Projection?
Yeah, it is a projection. तो अपने को वही हो रहा है कि तेरा एंगल पे है, इसलिए उसका ट्रू लेंथ नहीं दिख रहा है तेरे को फ्रंट व्यू में. इट इज एन एंगल, so you can't see its true length in the front view. So what you do, take a true length चाहिए. Now if you haven't been given the true length in the question, okay, so you need to think which plane is it parallel to, which plane will give me the true length. Now this in here, it is parallel to the HP. So if I view it from the top, it will actually give me the true length, whatever it is. ऐसे भी होगा. Now if I measure this, will it be 55? Let's see. Yeah, 50. My bad. It was 50. Yeah. So this is the true length, right? However, angle पे है to the VP, so ये नहीं देगा true length. Similar example, let's say parallel to VP इसमें है. इसमें तो तुम्हें जो टॉप व्यू है, दिस वन, वो ट्रू लेंथ तो देगा ही नहीं. लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट अ लेंथ. ट्रू लेंथ, इट वोंट इवन गिव यू अ लेंथ. वो पॉइंट ही देगा. करेक्ट?
Yeah.
So you get my point, how true length is affecting, like समझ सकता है क्या true length. So let's read it about here. If a line is parallel to the HP and perpendicular to the VP, the first condition that I showed you, imagine line parallel to the HP and perpendicular to the VP. Let's imagine now. SolidWorks हो रहा है, but side by side थोड़ा imagination भी दौड़ा लेते हैं. Let's imagine. So parallel to the HP, make a line and perpendicular to the VP. The front view, if you view it from the front, it will show the point. Correct? Correct or not? Yeah. And top से देखोगे तो it will show the line. TL is the true length. किसी को नहीं समझ रहा है? I'll show it in SolidWorks. Anybody there जिसको नहीं समझ रहा है? Okay, cool. Next is the perpendicular to the HP and VP. What is it? The front view will show the true length, while the top view will show the point. Parallel to the H and parallel to the VP, both will show the true length. Okay? ये दो cases अपन discuss कर लिए. Inclined, none of them will show the true length, because दोनों को inclined है. समझ रहा? The plane, ये view में भी तेरा, if the line is somewhat I'm doing a rough figure, so you get this. इधर भी तेरा front view में तेको true length नहीं दिखेगा. However, तेको top view में भी true length नहीं दिखेगा. Idhar also I am not getting it. It will look like this. uh, Actually let it be. Let's say ये line थोड़ा एक second. I'll just delete it. बस एक 3D sketch बनाना पड़ेगा. Hmm, nah. Okay, cool enough. So ये मेरा line है sort of inclined to both the planes. Now इसका true length is somewhere around 151. Top से देखूंगा, will I get the true length? Nah, because it is inclined to the HP. If I sketch it on the top, मेरे को थोड़ा कम मिलेगा. What is it? Zyada actually, 219. My God. And if I view it in the front view, मेरे को still कम मिलेगा. At the point, line inclined to both will contain none. True length तुम लोग को दिखेगा नहीं in any views. Get it?
Yes.
What you will get is the apparent length. So let's solve a problem, shall we? कि आज के लिए बस एक प्रॉब्लम करके छोड़ दे.
जितना लिखा है उतना करवा ही दो.
भाई जितना लिखा है मैं सब मॉड्यूल बना के रखा है इधर.
Oh.
So your choice. आज खत्म करना है पोर्शन.
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
अरे अरे इतना eagerness, nice. So let's take an example. A line AB. Okay, this is the true line, 50 mm long. So you get the true length is inclined at an angle 20 degree to way. Okay, before that I'd like to clear one point. The whatever view, okay, if the front view is inclined, मतलब तुम लोग को HP के साथ एंगल बना रहा है. The line makes an angle with HP. Let's say this वाला case. किधर गया रे? Delete किया क्या? F. Parallel to the HP and angle to the VP. So if this is the line, angle to the VP, clear है? So the angle made by this is known by phi. अपना sigma phi. Phi पता है ना सबको? This one. Phi. There is phi. Okay, let it be. So phi अपना हाँ this one phi. The angle made by that line, that with the vertical plane, top view में जो angle बनेगा, that is phi. And the angle made with the horizontal plane is known as theta. Correct? Theta. Now here it says कि it is inclined at an angle 20 degree to the HP and 50 degree to the VP. Correct? अपने को दिया है कि it is a line inclined to the both plane. Oh, first में ये एकदम चालू. Okay, you might think this is a bit serious, difficult problem, but it isn't actually. काफी simple है if you read what is given. The end point A, one of the point A is 18 mm above the HP and 24 mm in front of the VP. 18 mm above the XY है. अब क्या दिया है? Above the HP दिया है. What does that mean? A dash is 18 mm above XY. Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Line AB, it says AB, capital AB. So it is here. Now the line is inclined to at an angle to the HP. The line is inclined, the angle is theta, HP, and to the VP, so phi.
Yeah.
The end point A, okay, A मतलब तेरा in the 3D only, हाँ देखो समझ रहा है क्या? it is somewhat like this. तेरा A point is above the HP. वो बोल रहा है it is above the HP बोला है. The question says this. This wasn't given at first. The given part is written by me. So the question is what is given. समझ रहा है? So this is what the question says कि it is above the HP. So what we deduce from that is कि it is above the XY line, 18 mm,
हाँ
and 24 in front of VP. तो उससे it is in below XY because वो first quadrant में है. Get समझा ना? Front बोला तो नीचे खींचने का, below the XY.
yeah
Get it? So let's do it. So we get our XY line. Correct? This is the XY line. Always जितना एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ना, जितना फास्ट हो सके उतना नोटेशंस देके रखो. If you think na notations you will give it a later point of time, you might get confused very easily because lines है तुम लोग को 2 मिनट में you get very haywire वगैरह. So let's plot what they have given first. A dash is 18 mm above XY, correct? That is what we deduced. So 18 mm above. I typed in 18. ये 18 आ गया अपना. We'll name that as 18 A dash. A is 24 mm below. So next, at the same point, 24 mm below. Correct?
yes
बाकी लोग है ना कि सब चले गए, बोर कर दिया है क्या लोग?
हाँ हाँ है
हाँ
हाँ हाँ
Never mind, चल. तो this is what we got. अपने को प्रोजेक्शन मिला A dash and A का. Okay? What A point का projections मिला. Now it says कि the line is inclined at an angle to the HP. अभी HP माने तो inclined है. तो let's तो तेको true length कौन से देखेगा? Let's take condition 1 first. Okay? It is inclined to the HP. Correct? Okay? तो VP का भूल जाओ. It is anywhere it is inclined to the VP, forget about it. Just forget it. अभी के लिए है भी नहीं अपने के लिए inclined to the VP. It is just inclined to the HP. Correct? Now if it is inclined to the HP, मेरा कौन सा view will show me the true length? किधर गया? Parallel to the HP and inclined to the नहीं parallel to क्या है ये? Forget this part. Let's focus on this. 20 degree to the HP.
it will be perpendicular to VP and at an inclination to HP.
सुन. When you consider ना कि it is at an angle to HP, make the other कि it is parallel to the VP.
अच्छा हाँ sorry my bad.
So if I incline to the HP and parallel to the VP, correct this case? So its front view will show me the true length. Front view will show me the true length. So अपना front view के लिए A dash है. तो मेरा इधर से जो आएगा line, that will show me the true length. So I make an line which is 50 degree in 50 mm in length. Okay, wait a minute. मेरे को ऑर्थो ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. 50. रुको. I draw a circle which is 50 mm, 50 का radius है. So this is what it is, 50. Now I need to get a point which is inclined to 20 degrees. अभी ये this is a line parallel. Now अभी I need to make a line which is inclined. How do I do that? एक सेकंड. फीचर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? One sec. I need to stop sharing because Okay. Okay. I don't know ये क्यों हो रहा है, but okay, yeah, it's back. Yeah. Sorry about that, everybody. Okay. So I take one line which is 50 mm in length and what was the angle? 20 degree. सब लोग को दिख रहा है? I put in 50-degree length and angle 20 degree. So here I got my line, which is projection of line, which is parallel to the HP, parallel to the VP and inclined to the HP, 20 degree. Correct? ये मेरा true length है अभी के लिए. Now, what have they asked us actually? Let's see that. क्या पूछा है?
क्यों ड्रॉ किया बट ए डैश के उधर क्यों किया?
Because okay, what have they asked us? Ki draw the projection of line AB. Okay. Now, let's say कि उधर क्यों ड्रॉ किया. So that was because I assumed कि वो line is first case मैं assume किया कि the line is inclined to the HP and parallel to the VP. ये
Yeah.
case हाँ. So inclined to the HP में where it will lie. मतलब ट्रू लेंथ किधर देखेगा? टेल मी दैट. ट्रू लेंथ
फ्रंट व्यू.
हाँ. सो उधर मैं ट्रू लेंथ ड्रॉ किया. करेक्ट. ट्रू लेंथ एंड एट एन एंगल इंक्लाइन. बराबर. यू सी राइट.
इसकी फ्रंट व्यू ऊपर कैसे आया अभी?
फ्रंट व्यू है ना. देख ऊपर नीचे का सवाल नहीं.
नीचे बोला था ना.
ऊपर नीचे का सवाल नहीं. देख रुक एक सेकंड. आई विल शो इट टू यू हियर. किधर गया? I need to make a plane. नाउ इफ ये लाइन था तेरा. ओके.
हाँ.
तो ये तेरा फ्रंट व्यू हो गया. करेक्ट.
या.
नाउ व्हाट आई एम व्यूइंग इज इट्स ट्रू लेंथ. बराबर. ये जो दिख रहा है एज इट इज पैरेलल इधर प्रोजेक्ट होगा तो वही ट्रू लेंथ रहेगा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. ओके, आई गॉट इट.
करेक्ट.
या.
तो आई प्रोजेक्टेड दिस हियर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है अपना. तो मैं ये इधर ड्रॉ किया. मेरे को उसने इंक्लिनेशन दिया है विद द एचपी. इट हैज गिवन मी दिस. ये पॉइंट दिया, ये एंगल दिया है. करेक्ट. सो आई ड्रॉ दैट. करेक्ट. तो वो हो गया अभी. एंड इफ इट इज पैरेलल टू द वीपी तो मेरा वीपी में क्या है? टॉप व्यू क्या दिखेगा? टेल मी दैट. टॉप व्यू क्या आएगा? पैरेलल टू द वीपी है. सो सॉरी, वेट अ मिनट. ओके. पॉइंट कैसे आएगा मेरे को बोल. पैरेलल टू द वीपी है, इंक्लाइन टू द एचपी. टॉप व्यू क्या आएगा? व्हाट इज दिस?
अच्छा, लाइन.
लाइन, बट वो ट्रू लेंथ नहीं रहेगा. सिंपल. सो व्हाट आई डू इज, अभी देखो, वॉट एवर पॉइंट्स यू ड्रॉ दे आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी कोलिनियर. ऐसा इधर तेरा ए डैश एंड ए विल ऑलवेज बी कोलिनियर. वो किधर ऐसा इधर ए डैश इधर ए इधर ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. सो दिस इफ वी से इज बी डैश. ओके. This if we say it is B dash, control C, control V. तो B मेरा इसके नीचे ही आएगा somewhere. करेक्ट. तो आई ड्रॉ अ लाइन. B will be somewhere here. ये लोकस है B का. इधर किधर तो आएगा. आई डोंट नो. बट हाउ विल आई नो? अभी आई नो कि टॉप व्यू में मेरा लाइन इज पैरेलल टू, मतलब पैरेलल टू एक्स वाई लाइन दिखाएगा. बिकॉज वो ये देख, दिस इज व्हाट यू सी राइट, पैरेलल टू द एक्स वाई. करेक्ट.
यस.
तो मैं वैसा ही लाइन उधर ड्रॉ कर दूंगा एंड आई गेट माय बी पॉइंट. इजी इनफ. कंफ्यूजिंग थोड़ा होगा, कंफ्यूजिंग, बट Let's go with it. Now ये मेरा एक केस हो गया. I'll move it further and अभी I'll make it inclined to the VP and parallel to the HP. Get it? Now मेरा inclined to the VP होगा वो दूसरा वाला केस, which is some sort of like this. एक second. Where did it go? Damn it. सब गायब किधर हो गया रे? Maybe I deleted it. Now it says inclined to the VP. So ऐसा incline है, VP को inclined है, vertical plane inclined and parallel to the horizontal plane. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So what I need is अभी ये व्यू में मेरे को ट्रू लेंथ मिलेगा. If this is point A का projection, what this was A. Correct? Oh no, A was below. Be careful, the software makes such mistakes. Just need to find a way around it. ये snaps, what this is called is a snap tool. The ones which you see a rectangle or something like that. This rectangle here, which comes a green rectangle, you see that, right? This
Yeah.
one. Yeah, so that is called, that denotes the end point. The triangle here denotes the center, midpoint of the line. There are various such options. Just you can denote, like select them, which of the assist you want from here. I'll tell more about that next time. Okay, so if that is, now the other case, AB को inclined है, so what was the inclination? 50 degrees, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait a second. Okay, sorry about that. So 50 degree incline. Now 50 degree incline ऐसे होगा, correct? Somewhere here ऐसा.
हाँ.
बराबर. तो now 50, I'll put 50, but AutoCAD doesn't get what I mean here 50 angle पे. It always goes anti-clockwise. So what
Yeah.
I need to put is the anti-clockwise angle. What will that be? 360 minus 50, that is 310, correct?
Yeah.
And I put that. So I get my true length again. Now ये मेरे को मिला, if some, let's denote this by B1 as confuse नहीं होगा, and this as B, correct? एक सेकंड. Hello. So if this will become B, so I need to get the other point on the here. Yeah. So again, I got AB, the true length. अभी मेरे को उसका I know similarly कि A B1 dash will somewhere be around here. So I again take the end point and pull it down. मेरे को इधर एक point आएगा. And this point is what we call as let's say B1 dash, correct? Okay, get it? Now
Yes.
this length which you found is called as the plan length. Just remember that. It isn't of any significance that much, but numericals में आ सकता है कभी कभी. What is the plan length? So the projected length when the line is inclined to the HP and parallel to the VP, उसका जो top view मिलता है, that is called the plan length, and this one is called the elevation length, EL. Get it?
Yeah.
Now, so I'll quickly denote everything. Just this is what I get. This was the true length, correct? I simply copy it here. This is again the true length. copy it here, but this was the plan length, so PL, and this was the elevation length, so EL. Short forms. Okay. Now we need to know the projections. These aren't the projections actually. The projections are what will come next. So now what we do, this isn't the front view. Okay. This is the front view of the two cases we took, but the actual line is inclined to the both, right? अपन दो केस लिया कि भाई हाँ एक टाइम पे मैं पैरेलल टू द वीपी एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द इंक्लाइन टू द एचपी ले रहा है एंड सेकंड में उल्टा, बट अपना लाइन वैसा नहीं है, अपना लाइन एट द टाइम बोथ को है. So what we need to do is now this. This point is somewhere here. Now what I'm going to tell you will seem a bit way off track, like क्यों मैं कर रहा हूँ ये, why is this going on, but need to know the concept. I'll prepare a model for you next time जिसमें तुम लोग को समझेगा कि why I'm doing things which seem off the track. But if you don't want to know the concept, just सीखना है कि हाँ भाई ये step है, तो this is perfectly fine. Tell me if you want the concept next time. So what I do is I draw an arc which is let's say center start and एक second. Sorry about that. Parents है घर पे, अभी क्या करें. So let's draw a circle for now. I draw a circle here, okay, and I find the point at which it intersects with this line. Why I drew this line, I'll tell you later. This line is called as the locus of B dash, okay, and I get this point, okay. This point is what I got. Now similarly, I draw plan length का एक radius का circle. Similar, either be I do a horizontal. I find where the line cuts, circle cuts the horizontal. I take it. Abhi, these lines which I got, I'll make them thick. Always denote your answer by thick lines. Whatever is supposed to be asked, usko thick lines से denote करो. So these lines which you got, the thick ones, are known as the projection of the line. Now here only projection for your case. Now I'm saying projection of the lines are always determined said by the A dash B dash things. Whatever it is, A dash B dash उसको चाहिए. But ऐसा कुछ hard fast rule नहीं है. You could always say कि मेरा line ये है. This is what I've written. I could write as B1 dash B2 dash and later specify कि मेरा top view is this and front view is this. So this A dash B dash is the front view and A B is the top view. Everybody got that? Confusing है थोड़ा, but this is what one numerical looks like. It took me around half hour. Practice करोगे so it can be done in 10 minutes max. Get it? Clear everybody?